Yeah. Mama, do listen carefully, oh. Life they teach person slowly, slowly. As you they grow older, you go understand, say sometimes your biggest enemy no be witch, no be village people. Now your own ego. I dey feel like king of the world. Prideful, my body like Odogu. Everything I want, I buy, I'm higher. Because of ego, I lose my way. Carry another girl when true love stay. Nkem they cry, but I no send. Thinking say enjoyment no go end. I dey buy things where I no need. Big spending bong from greed. Gold chain shining for neck. Meanwhile, peace done disconnect. Big cars, flashy clothes. Every night nah different shows. Long trips and expensive flex, but inside me nah emptiness. If to say I reason I'm well, maybe life for sweets me well. Maybe I for hold true love tight instead of chasing fake spotlights. Now I sit down, they think alone. All the things will come and gone. Right, no fee buy peace of mind. True happiness hard to find. Hey. Now my ego. Pride too dangerous. Ego be enemy. Aye, aye, aye. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I dey live like rich young king. Every night na enjoyment thing. Club lights and champagne rain. Meanwhile my soul dey feel pain. Nobody fit advise me then. I know they hear from elders them. Cause money make me blind, lost inside my own mind. Girls come and girls go, still I dey form say I know. Way too much for foolish pride, almost lose my life inside. What ma do? Pride fi bury destiny. If you know humble yourself, you feel lose everything quietly. Pride too dangerous. Ego be enemy. If I fit turn back the time, maybe I for change my mind. But every scar way life give me, now it make me wiser today. I learn say wealth no be all. One small pride fit make man fall. If your heart's no pure inside, gold and fame no be hide up. Now I humble before Chineke, asking mercy every day. Cause life too short for vanity. Peace better than insanity. Nkem, if you hear this song, learn before your joy go wrong. Hold true love and family ties before darkness kill your life. Village talk say
pride dey fall before destruction.
Young blood no they understand.
Till suffering hold your hand.
I don't walk how many roads, carry too many heavy loads. Now I know waiting matter pass. Now peace and love we go last. Money fi buy motor car, but you no feel deep scar. Ego fi make man tall outside, but empty spirit hide inside. Chineke na remove pride from my body. teach me humility. Make I no lose myself again. Now him be enemy mu. I think send a friend to me, but na curse wey destroy me. You bring out the worst in me. Now I know say pride too dangerous. Ego be enemy. Life na teacher, oh. Humility pass riches. Mama, you listen carefully, oh.